Here, firstly, we will start with basics of coding in Python. First, using comments Python. In Python, comments are used to explain the code and make it more readable for others, including your future self. Comments are ignored by the Python interpreter during execution. Here, the line starting with hashtag is a comment. It is not executed but helps explain what the code does. Single line comments start with hashtag symbols, or for multi-line explanation, you can use triple quotes. These are not technical comments but are treated as docstrings. Here you can see using a code, this is a single line comment and this is a multi-line comment used for documentation or detailed explanation. And print for using that the comment are helpful. So we will run the code. Here you can see that comments are helpful. So it is printed. Next, we will see executing commands in Python. Executing in command Python. They generally refer to instructions that tell user perform actions. Let's look at how we can execute commands. Here we have a code simple print statement. A comment we have written in hashtag simple print statement. For this, we will print hello Google Colab. So we will play our code. So here you can see it is printed hello Google Colab. It is a running shell commands. In running shell commands. In Colab, you can also execute shell commands by prefixing the command with an exclamation mark. If we need to install a package, we can use the pip command. We can also import and use a package. Here we can see running shell command. What we have pwd or an exclamation mark. Check the command working dictionary and exclamation mark ls list files in the current dictionary. And for installing our package, we have pip install numpy. Exclamation mark pip install numpy. Third, we will talk about importing packages in Python. Packages in Python provide ready-made function to our coding easier to make our coding easier. To use a package, you first import it. For example, to calculate a square root, you can import the maths package. Here you can see import maths print maths dot sqrt 16 square 16. So here we can run our code. So it will print 4. We have taken that maths dot sqrt 16 to 16 the square 4. Now, in 4 point, we will discuss about getting data into Python. Getting data into Python is a simple technique. Data can be input through user input, file upload, or libraries like pandas. Here we have getting data into Python's code. We can see name equals to input, enter your name, and we can print f hello hello hello. So we will run our code.
Now we will talk about saving outputs in Python. Saving outputs helps retain result for later use. Our output can be saved to file like text or CSV using built-in method. To save text, we have with open output.txt wsf f.write, or this is the saved output. We can now we will run the code here. It is set. Now, sixth point, accessing records and variables in Python. Accessing specific parts of data is important in Python. This method help you to extract specific data quickly. Here we can see for list we have my list equals to an array 10, 20, 30, and print my list. For printing we will use print my list 1. So we will run our code. Here you can see 20, the output is 20. For dictionaries, we will use myDict equals to name, Alice, age 25. For printing, for printed data, we will use print myDict name, and we will run our code. Here Alice is printed. And for data frames, we have import pandas pd, df equals to pd.dataframe, name brackets Alice, bob, age 25 and 30. And for print the output, we will use print df name dot iloc. It is index 0. So the output will be, here you can see the output is ls. Thank you. I hope you understand the topic.